In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save YouTube short video into a playlist. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up YouTube app. Then just tap right here to go to your shorts feed, and once you find a short you would like to save to playlist, you need just to tap right here at these three dots at the top right corner. It will show you this pop-up where we can easily find save to playlist. I'm going to tap on it, and now we can choose a playlist we would like to save this short to. I can choose one of the existing playlists, or I can create new one. To do that, we need to tap right here. Then I'm just gonna enter a name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, we can set privacy level for that playlist. I'm gonna keep it private, and then I'm going to tap add create. That will create this playlist, and also that will save this video to the playlist that I've selected. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.